everyone and welcome to Marcella's Cake World. I am Marcella and today we will be making a carrot cake loaf, traditional, and I will be sharing with you our recipe, how we do it right here at Marcella's Cake World. First, we need to grate. First, we need to peel and grate our carrot. I will be using this grater right here. For me, it is just, give me the perfect size. Carrot cake is an all-time favorite. It is one of the best cake there is. And the cake that we will be doing, well, I am from the West Indies, and we are big on flavor in the West Indies, the Caribbean. And so this carrot cake will be big on flavor. I will also leave a link below with the full recipe and instructions. And this is how my carrot looks when it's grated. Right, now that our carrot is grated, we're now going to go on and do the rest of the recipe and make our cake. Welcome back, and here we have our ingredients. 200 grams of self-rising flour. We have our grated carrot, 300 grams grated carrot. We have just a bit of sultanas. I prefer sultanas. We have our oil, 185 grams of oil. We have 4 eggs. I have already put the vanilla essence in the egg, and what we're going to do here, we basically just want to break up the egg yolk just a little. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it looks like a very dark caramel at the moment. Then we're gonna add our carrot. If you don't have any loaf baking paper, all you just need to do is to just dust the pan with some flour. So here is our loaf. It is now baked. It took 1 hour and 5 minutes in the oven. So we're just gonna put it on this rack to be cooled.